Everybody, there is no God but Allah. Muhammad is a messenger of Allah. In this video, we'll discuss how to install deno on Ubuntu. Actually, the installation process consists of two parts. The first part is installation. The second part is configuration. And the first step, I have already made it by copy this command related to Linux operating system from the official website and running this command in the terminal. As you can see, I have already made this step and I'm waiting for the installation step. This is the first step, installation step. The second step is it's related to configuration part, updating the bash rc file to make the terminal recognize able to recognize the deno and open deno shell or deno terminal by typing deno command. Okay, just wait for installation step. Okay, go. Good. This is the first part and already it's already done successfully. Okay, as you can see, deno was saved was installed successfully. Okay, this is the first part, and the second part, it's a configuration part. You can make this configuration by typing this two lines and adding these two lines at the last line of bash rc or bash profile file. Okay, now manually add these two lines. Okay, inside bash rc file, run this command sudo nano dot bash rc. Okay, and just add these two lines here. Okay, but before adding this line, first we need to check that deno installed or not. As you can see, deno not configured yet. It's already installed from the previous step, but not configured. And this is the configuration step. What we have already handled here is the configuration step to make the terminal able to recognize deno and open deno shell. Okay, save. Yes. Now the last step is updating our file, bash rc file, rc. Now it's updated. Okay, now try to type deno and run it. As you can see, it's installed and configured successfully. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks